Level 8. Level 8. So this is another jump. Check this out. Same kind of deal. We're going to read this. Alberti bass, left hand, C, G, E, G. Already a given from now. At the end here, C, G, E, G, D, G, F, G. Okay? You got that taken care of. These are the same. That is different. Great. That's the first part in recognizing patterns. Now, the right hand. The right hand is the most exciting part. This starts from the beginning. C, E, G, 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 right? And then it gets to a part where we have G, C, E, C, C, B, right? G, C, E, C, C, B. So take your time to read that. That might be the hardest part of this piece if you have progressed from the previous levels in the right way. So if you can play, right, C over here, right, 1 on C, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and that's pretty much all you need to figure out. That's the hardest part of this piece that you would need to figure out. So do some hand separate work if you need to before, okay? And then once you can play the right hand at a proficient speed, at the right rhythm with the right notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Once you can do that, I want you to put it together now, okay? Let's go ahead. Ready? Thumb on C, left hand 5 on C, as we've done before. Alberti bass. Here we go. From the beginning, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and... All right. So, if I were to be completely honest, these last two parts are actually one of the harder parts of this 4-bar melody, okay? So, G and C over here, G and C over here, C, E, C, C, B, right? This rhythm, figure that out. Make sure you're playing on the right notes in the right time. Then switching to another chord. That's what makes this hard. You go from C, G, E, G to D, G, F, G. That's what it is, okay? So, from that top note, E up there, C down here, E up here, right? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Do that as many times as you need, okay? You might need to go like, here's how I practice, right? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 4. I'll do that again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 4. Right? Do that again and again and again. You might have to go slow. 1 and 2 and 1 and, or even slower, right? Take as many times as you need before you go on and play the entire bar on its own. If you can do that, then put it together, fix each bar by bar, right? This might be hard too. This 4, 3, 2, the fingering, 4, 3, 2, right? 1, 2, and 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Do that a few times. Right? Ready? So like 1, 2, make sure you do that. You can switch from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a fun little exercise. If you haven't done that now, this is your learning opportunity. Okay, so do that. Isolate these bars before you fix the entire piece. And once you're able to do each bar perfectly on their own, connect them. Once you've connected all of them, you pretty much have the entire bar. You pretty much have the entire 4-bar melody. Okay? So, if you need a little more time to work on this, take as much as you need, okay? Work on the level that you need to work on, and once you've accomplished that successfully, move on to level 9.